Hey, a couple of years ago, I put up a video about Wichita Lineman. Everybody seemed to love that song so much. I almost get tired of hearing people say how much they love the song, but it is a great song. And I'm just going to do kind of a simple version here because I got chordy. The keys will light up. All right, so we start with that. And put a little F major seventh chord in like that. And then we're going to do something like C seventh. So, and also add these two notes. See the F and the G. It's in the background, but it's pretty nice. And then here, you can start singing if you're brave, or and you can kind of keep the chords kind of bouncing along like that, or I don't know, listen to it.
I am a lineman for the county.
There's something like that going on in there. And everybody wants to know what that second chord is. So you got B flat major seventh first. It's the mu chord. It's an F major chord. Third is in the bass. The thing that makes it a mu chord is the third in the bass, and they add the second. See, there's F. So it's an F major chord. I believe the melody is like that, so. Now, the bottom note of the chords has to be the root of the chord, except for that F chord. So D minor. You could play like a power chord, but it doesn't sound very good. You got the third up there. So what else could we do? I hate to come all the way up here. To me, that's the best. So you got the root and the seventh there. This is A minor. If you're more of a beginner, you can make the chords a little smaller. You just have to make sure you have the root and the third and the fifth and the chord. So. Now here, I think if you just hit something like that and then held it all down. And there's a string line that goes like that. So there, I use my thumb to get over both of those notes. So that's kind of a mu chord also, because it's G major, third on the bottom, add the second. And then maybe you just go like this, like that. And just move that down there like that. The A is kind of not so good there, so. know, he sings it different ways. You do a little trill like that.
Is still on the
It's kind of in the cracks, so it's not that, it's not that. But it's in Sioux Falls, Michigan for PBS.
is still on the line.
Is still on the. He gets up to the F sharp there, so let's go with the F sharp. It's just, that is fine. And then we hit a B flat, and we got the third there, so we can put the seventh in there, and maybe double it like that. And then it's like a C. And these are just big, basic triad chords with the root on top as well as the bottom. For the last one. There's a string line up there, so I mean it gets in your way, but you can kind of do it. And then you got to hit like a suspended chord, so that's usually enough. And the solo, you know, it's done down low with the bass guitar, but you could, you know, you're playing the piano, so got to make the piano sound good. I used to do it down. Now at the very end of the song, kind of goes. What is it? Strings, right? Good ending there. I am a lineman for the county, and I drive the main road. I haven't sung a song in weeks, months. And the Wichita Lineman is still on the line. Send this out to my friends up in Canada who requested this song, and thank you all very much.